What I love about working at FINRA is that I'm constantly learning new things. I've been encouraged to be curious and seek out learning opportunities, and this has made me feel like FINRA is really invested in my professional development.
The thing that always gets me to work hard every day is the fact that we're all coming together and doing something good for the world.
The team really encourages me to share my thoughts, and they value my contribution as a team member.
I feel like I'm contributing to FINRA's mission of investor protection and market integrity.
Everyone at FINRA welcomed me and gave me great advice along my journey. I felt like I was treated as a real employee.
It's really motivating to go to work knowing that a project you're working on have a direct impact into keeping investors protected and markets efficient.
Every single employee that I reached out to was more than happy to go above and beyond to make time for me out of their busy schedules and help get me involved in real work and new learning opportunities.
I got the chance to produce real work. I'm talking about working with real data and publishing real reports to senior management. I felt very respected in that sense, like they were treating me as a professional, not just some college kid.